Well, as we expected, the board are adamant that this new computer installation must go ahead. They say it will save tens of thousands of pounds per annum in the long run. When it's up and running, it's going to mean quite a lot of people being made redundant. And you'll be one of them. They say we'll do everything apart from make the coffee, and they're even going to install a machine to do that. I suppose on the bright side, you'll pick up a tidy sum, given all the years you've worked here. And there's always a pension, of course.
We've seen and heard all this sort of thing before. It'll never work. I suppose it's what they call progress.
When I did everything I could, I'm sorry. Yes, for a contract that size, I can certainly be in Glasgow tomorrow. Yes, certainly. I'll be there. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Glasgow, flight number 4321115, Davis Car Hires,
Destination.
Skyway Hotel.
Hotel. Car. Wow.
Adjust your speed. There is a speed camera half-mile ahead. As you requested, all of your previous instructions have been cancelled.
What? I gave it no such instructions. What the hell am I gonna do now? Gwen, is that you?
Oh, Mr. Granger. I haven't heard from you in ages. How are you?
Never mind all that now, Gwen. I'm in a bit of a fix. I'm at the airport waiting for the flight to Glasgow. And the bloody computer has wiped everything out. Flights, car, hotel. This is the biggest contract I've ever had a chance of. My job's on the line here, and maybe the survival of the firm. Is there anything you can do? What about all those contacts? I promise you, Gwen, if you can help me out on this one, well, it'll be your job back and a big rise.
Well, I'll see what I can do. But it's a bit of a tall order. Hi, Mary. It's me. Listen, I need the biggest favour ever.
What's the problem?
Remember that fantastic computer system they installed at work? And then they made me redundant? Well, it's all gone to pot. And all the information's been cancelled on it. I know I shouldn't care, after the way they treated us all, but I feel a bit sorry for Mr. Granger.
Well, so what?
He needs to be in Glasgow today, and there is no more flights available. When we were talking the other day, you mentioned that your MD was going away to Scotland, and he was going in his company helicopter.
And you were wondering if you could beg a lift.
What do you think?
Hang on a minute. Mr. Beresford, have you by any chance room for a passenger in your helicopter today? Only it's a bit of an emergency. And it will give us a favour to recall from Broadhurst in the future. Are you there? It's okay. Tell Mr. Granger to be at Mr. Beresford's for 1 o'clock sharp.
Oh, thanks, Mary. I won't forget this. Thanks.
Don't worry, I won't let you.
Hello, Gwen.
Yes, it's me. It's all sorted. I've managed to get you a seat on a helicopter from Broadhurst. You will owe them one. Mr. Beresford is going on holiday to Scotland today, and he says you can have a lift with him. You know where it is? Be at his place by 1 sharp. You'll just have time to pick up a sandwich.
Gwen, I won't forget this.
Remember my job?
When I get back, I'll talk to the board. After this cock-up, they'll have to listen to me. I'll get you your job back.
And the pay rise.
And Gwen, thank you.
You know, it's quite like old times. It's taken that computer company ages to sort out all the problems. Personally, I don't think they're very good.
No, tell me about it. They seem like a Mickey Mouse setup to me. Hello, you.
Hey Auntie Gwen, did I do okay? Did the computer crash?
You were great. It went like a dream. Gemma, you do know you must never speak to anybody about this.
Speak of what?
You know.
I don't know anything, Auntie Gwen. I'm just a girl, remember? So, when are we going to Disneyland then?